Hello, we're here at the offices of Quickstyle Industries in Montreal, Canada. To my right is Mike Alfieri. They have a new technology that we want to show you today. It's called TrueGrout. TrueGrout is a patented technology that is brand new and taking the market by storm. We want to be able to speak to you and show you how this product works, how it was developed, and how you can use this in your business, your store, your project. So, Mike, you're the inventor of TrueGrout.
I certainly am.
Can you give us an idea of exactly what is TrueGrout?
Yeah, TrueGrout is a patent technology that can generate a board on SDC or WPC with an integrated grout line.
And the integrated grout line, this is inside the grout line. This is a wear layer?
Yeah. So one of the main features of this is the fact that the grout lines will not stain wear or fade. Reason why is essentially this grout line is a wear layer. So it's a wear layer that's approximately 12 millimeter in thickness, which is used on flooring for residential use. So imagine the grout line is a wear layer, 12 mil, recessed about 1.5 millimeters. Can't touch it. You can't get to it. So it stays the way it is for the complete period of the warranty offer.
So while this looks like a tile, or this looks like natural stone, the substrate for this product is actually an SPC core.
Correct.
And can it have a pad attached to it?
Yes, absolutely. We have two lines, multiple lines, but one of the lines that we have doesn't have a pad attached. Most of them do, because in the industry it's more common to have a attached pad product.
And the thickness and the width and the dimensions, what are those?
Well, we're not limited to 1224s. This is a 1224 look, a board of 1248. You have 18 by 36 right here. With
beautiful.
With a mezzo grout line, which you're going to ask in a few minutes, I'm sure.
So I've seen product on the market that is, just a single individual tile look with a locking system. But what I notice about this is that you actually have an integrated grout line in the middle of the plank. Can you demonstrate to us how this would get installed?
Absolutely. So before I show you this technology, I'm going to just demonstrate what is on the market today. This is a 12 by 24 with an integrated grout line. And as you all know, when we install, you must stagger your joints. So with this type of model, without the middle grout line, this is the only visual you can get. So this is what we call break or stagger. Now, this is what's on the market like today.
And this locking system, this T-seam and the locking system will pass the alpha test?
Absolutely. With this technology, remember now, here's the joint. This is the middle grout line. So if you'd stagger this way, here's the joint, this look can get just as you get a brick style there. But with this middle grout line, you have the possibility of staggering 50% of the tile.
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
And now you get the ceramic look, or the stack look, as some people will refer to.
So while in a real product, this might take hours, half a day or longer to install a floor of tile in this kind of look, this product you could install in an average size room in just a few hours.
2 or 3 hours. You can install on it over any substrate, be it plywood, concrete, over ceramic, is existing ceramic, no need to break. Very, very stable. You leave there's no expansion or contraction, no need for any...
no transitions in doorways?
No transition.
A little bit of expansion space around the perimeter?
That's it. A little bit of expansion space, and you can go up to like 7,000 feet without any...
Oh, wow. What about, tell us about the wear layer. How durable is it?
Well, any product that we have that has a TrueGrout technology comes with a 20 mil wear layer. that gives us lifetime residential warranty and 15-year commercial.
Can be installed in above grade, on concrete, below grade. Do you need a moisture barrier when you install it?
No, above grade or below grade without a problem. We suggest to have a pad simply for the noise, but you don't really need it, and you don't need a leaper barrier.
Interesting question I have for you. Can this be installed on walls, in bathrooms, shower surrounds, shower floors?
Very good question. Yes, it can, but you must purchase a product that doesn't have an attached.
Without the underlayment on.
Correct. Because it's not certified to put a pad glued to the wall. If you use the right glue, this is good for walls, accent walls, and shower walls.
Wow, that's amazing. How many different tile and stone looks are available? I saw you had the Carrera marble in the 18 by 18. I see you have the beautiful black marble.
Yeah.
This is a gorgeous product. So this is 12 by 48 plank.
The board is 12 by 48.
This is 18 by 18 visual, but 18 by 36 is the size of the plank.
Right.
So this Mezzo ground line is phenomenal.
Yes.
It's really phenomenal. So you can either install in this brick pattern or in a traditional, square tile look.
Correct. Another thing that we do also, I noticed that we have a 2mm grout line here. So this actual product, which is more of a stone look, has a 3mm wide grout line. So we can play with the grout line. And on top of that, we offer 8 or 9 different colors of grout line. So we sort of try to match tone on tone, as it is very popular today, tone on tone grout line colors. One of the biggest features, the grout line will not stain, wear, or fade. We have testings that prove this. 24 hours, we left household chemicals, stains, no potential. Nothing stains.
Amazing. Yeah. It's a beautiful product. I think you said there's a total of 13 SKUs that you stock here, but there's a wide variety of decors.
Right. Well, we have more than 13. We have probably 20 or 5 SKUs stocked here in headquarters.
Awesome. These can come in either a 4mm plus 1mm EVA or a 5mm plus 1 EVA.
Well, we've got 2 general constructions for the TrueGrout technology. We have a 4.5 plus 1, and we have a 5 without that, or a 5 plus 1.
Mm-hmm.
That's sort of generally what we have. And we find that that's the most cost-effective specification to onboard to be able to be competitive and have a good price.
Residential, multifamily?
Yeah, absolutely.
Light commercial, medium commercial?
Light commercial.
And what are the warranties?
Warranty for 15 years, light commercial. And what's light commercial? So take, for example, a shopping center. Like the main alley would not be considered light commercial. That's heavy commercial. But all the stores, the boutiques, those are considered light commercial. Mm-hmm.
And a limited lifetime residential warranty.
Correct.
Wow, it's fantastic.
Yep.
Where can anybody get more information? www.quickstyle.grout.
Correct.
Great. Mike, it's a fantastic product.
Thank you.
Thank you for all the information.
You're welcome, sir. Anytime.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.